Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Kaz and Marco here, and we are going to go over Shopkins Small Mart. Now this has been out in stores for a long time now, but I just got it and I am super excited. Let's see what we got.
You didn't really just got
So
it.
this came with 2 exclusive Shopkins from Season 1. Check them out. I know, oh, they're stuck. I know this is like a butter thing. I'm not too sure the name, and I don't know the name to this one either. Black Willow soap.
I'm shopping.
Okay, so it came with these 2 Shopkins. Let's put them right on this shelf. Actually, no, let's put them on the checkout. And right here, it says, once you shop, you can't stop.
Like I did last video with the claw machine right to our right. Show them. Show them our claw machine.
Yes.
Like that. Once you shop, you can't stop. I use that. Especially because when you go out to stores, you get the Shopkins. You can't stop.
And that's really true, because my friend bought me 1 Shopkin, and I kept on buying them because I loved it. I couldn't stop collecting them. So, and the store came with a little shopping cart.
They made it flick up so that when you get more carts,
and it has 2 holes right here to put Shopkins, because some of your Shopkins, for example, my birthday Betty has holes on the bottom, and then just go right in there, and they'll stay.
This was a Season 1 Shopkins.
Yes, and this is from Season 1. Okay.
That's why it says number 1 right here for aisle run or something.
Yes. So it also came with 2 Season 1 baskets that says Shopkins in the blue, not the purple, because that's Season 2. So, and this has a really cool slide.
Did you see right
So
here
how it works
inside there?
is
Take that out when we were shopping.
you put a Shopkin inside your little elevator thing, and you bring it up, and it goes down, and it's in a little slide right into a little basket, but unfortunately I didn't put my basket in. So let me show you from this angle. Okay, is that there? Yes.
Oh
okay.
yeah, guys, I'm also putting up a YouTube channel with my sister.
Yes,
it's
I will have a playlist. I have a playlist for my claw machine. We're going to be putting crazy things in there. Like our last video, we put Shopkins in there, and we are going to win it, and sometimes we'll even give our winnings to you guys.
Yep.
So, let's show them this slide. So, you bring the little elevator up, and it'll roll down right into your little basket.
Perfect.
And you can continue shopping.
You know what's funny about this?
And then you go to your little checkout counter. You put your Shopkin on it, and you get your little cart, and you drive it right there, and then
pull it back like this.
yes, there's actually a little green thing there.
It kind of moves it up.
Yes.
So
It's like
moving it. There we go.
yes. So this thing right here, you'll turn it, and it'll move like a real one and go in.
If
So
you want to go
take that out of the way. So, and then that leaves us to our shelves. There's lots of rooms to store things, and I think it has the cutest little heart door that just opens.
Yeah, you know
just like
what?
that.
You know what I was thinking of my idea about
And
this?
the other side is Small Mart. This is the name of this.
Mama.
So it's like, here's a little parking lot, and you're entering. It's just cute all together. I love the whole thing. So, that's Small Mart. I've actually played with it a few times right after my dad opened it about a few hours ago.
Yesterday.
No, a few hours ago, remember? That was something else. That's my vending machine we got yesterday.
Oh, the vending machine was yesterday.
So, I just love it. It makes a great birthday or Christmas gift. It's highly recommended. Oh my gosh. Which makes me want to show you that I forgot to show you in my last claw machine video. The little Shopkins Season 4 crates that they come in the blind baskets. Oops.
Your show could put them up for shelf.
They come in white, hot pink, and light pink. This is the light pink, and sometimes blue, but I haven't seen any blue in stores. Have you, Marco?
No, I haven't really seen that.
And these are what, since we're looking at stuff, this is what the season 3 baskets, the blind baskets, look like. And since Marco brought up my vending machine, I guess I'll show that to you guys really fast. So it's like little buttons and there's soda pops. Here we have lollipoppins and cheeky chocolate, apple blossom, wishes, ground jam, salt, and that toothpaste. I don't know what the name is. Do you guys? And here's the popsicle from the freezer section. And this will open, and there's little shelves. And if you want, you can actually take your shelves out and use it as a big storage case. So now Marco wanted to say something.
Okay, so guys, this is good. This is great news. If you actually want to put like gaming videos, I'm gonna be doing gaming from this camera. It might be annoying, but I have it set up perfectly, so it will show the whole entire thing without my face. But our gaming could be anything, but right now that I have in stock is Gmod, and I also have Five Nights at Freddy's online. But as you know, I have the money to play the real Minecraft. I just have now the demo. If you want to play the real Minecraft, hopefully you subscribe, and we'll hopefully we'll do good. And you can ask me anything that I could play, and I'll be on it with this YouTube channel.
Yes. So if you want Marco to do any kind of gaming, if you want him to buy the real Minecraft and share it with you guys, please say so. We'll do it like that. And I'm going to be trying to post videos at a rate, maybe one video every 2 days. But I'm going to try to do quite a few videos in a week. So this is my channel. Please subscribe. If you liked it, bring a big thumbs